Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. So I know you are watching this video because you'll be taking JAMB in 2025 and you are searching for a serious online tutorial, or maybe you are a parent and you want to enroll your child into an online tutorial and you are like, where will I get a serious online tutorial that they are actually teaching students that you want to enroll your child into. Okay, so if actually you want to join an online tutorial, calm down and watch this video, because in this video I will be explaining certain things to you. Okay, so I go by the name Chukwubuikem, and that is why the name of the channel is Chubby Chemistry Studies. Actually, my name is Chukwubuikem, but people call me Chubby. That's why the name of the channel is Chubby Chemistry Studies. And what's the reason behind the the chemistry studies? That's because I love chemistry. So if actually you are one of those that hate chemistry, calm down. With my help, you will start loving chemistry. Okay, so for 2025 JAMB tutorial, yeah, I've been teaching JAMB for the past 3 years. I started teaching JAMB since 2022, I think so. Yeah, so I've been teaching JAMB for the past 3 to 4 years. So in this year's tutorial, we start off with a free tutorial. Yeah, so our tutorial will be starting this month, November. Yeah, so I didn't introduce myself. Oh, sorry, because I'm sure most of you that are watching this video right now don't know me. It's people that took JAM 2023, 2024 that will obviously know me. So I'll introduce myself right now. Okay, I go by the name Chukwubuikem. Yeah, and also I'm a medical student in Unilag. Like, I'm a medical student in University of Lagos. So that's it. I'm sure that is okay for you. Okay, so let me go back to where I stopped before. So our tutorial for this year, that's for those of you that will be taking JAMB in 2025, the tutorial will be starting this month of November, but the tutorial will be free for now. So what's the reason behind the free tutorial? Because you say it will be like, this one that he wants to start a free tutorial, maybe he's not serious, or maybe it's one of those tutorials that you will join and they will not be teaching or doing anything. Actually, I'm a very strict person. Like, when I mean I'm strict, I'm like, I don't take nonsense from anybody. So the tutorial will be free for now because we just resumed last week. Like I said, I'm a medical student, and combining school and also teaching people, it's not that easy. So that's why I said it will be free for now, because I cannot say I'll be seeing you guys every day without even knowing how my own schedule for this semester will be. So as time goes on, that's when I will now be able to tell you, oh, we'll be having tutorials 3 times a week or every day in a week. That's when I've actually like settled for this semester. I hope you understand. So tutorial will be starting this month of November, definitely middle of this November. So if you're interested in joining this tutorial, you can chat me up on this number here. Yeah, chat me up on this number here. Or if you don't want to chat me through this number, just click on the pinned comment. Yeah, once you click on that pinned comment, it will take you to my WhatsApp channel. Then from that WhatsApp channel, you'll be able to chat me up directly. Hope you understand. So if you're interested, just chat me up on this number or click on the pinned comment. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to share this video to your friends. Those of you you have friends that will be taking JAMB in 2025. Share this video to them, and also don't forget to subscribe. That is very important, because I'll be posting videos. I'll even make videos explaining something and post it here on WhatsApp. Sorry, did I say WhatsApp? I will make videos of me explaining something that you guys may not understand, and then I'll post it here on YouTube for you guys to learn. So for you not to miss out, don't forget to subscribe, and also click on that notification bell, so anytime I post a new video, you'll be among the first set of people to see it. Hope you understand. So that's my plans for those of you that are interested in joining the tutorial. So if you're interested, just chat me up on this number. So that is it, guys. I'm hoping to see you guys on the group. Let's go, guys.